Hi, I'm Brandon Bombardo with ShopSabre CNC. Today we're running a fun project that you may have seen floating around online, what I like to call the surfacing crocodile. Now, a lot of people think that large CNC routers can't handle fine detailed work, but this project is the perfect proof that when a machine is engineered right, it's not just powerful, it's also versatile. We're going to take scrap wood from a past job and bring it to life on the table. Since this piece doesn't fill the full table, I'll need a good hold down strategy to keep it secure while we cut. So let's talk about how we're going to hold this part down. The IS series router is equipped with our multi-zone high flow vacuum table, perfect for nested base cutting. Today though, we're going to be using only zone 1, ensuring that maximum flow is to our working area. I'll need to then surface the board flat. Another bonus of owning a CNC router is that I'll be able to do this right on the machine. For today's run, I'll be using our IS series router in a 4x8 format. Now this series also comes in a 5x10 or 6x12 if you need more table space. And hey, if you're tight on budget or limited by shop space, we also offer our Pro or RC routers. But for me, the IS series is the sweet spot. Speed, rigidity, and accuracy, all in one. I also am going to be using the reference pins option. This gives me the perfect alignment point for any material, so I can drop it on the table and know it's repeatable every time. Now, if you'd like to go deeper into the engineering and tech behind our machines, make sure to check out our ShopSabre Minute series. It's packed with quick insights onto why so many people trust ShopSabre. Now, for the Crocodile file, I grabbed the STL file online for under 10 bucks. I set the toolpath in Vectric VCarve Pro, but remember, there are other software options out there that work seamlessly with ShopSabre machines. The file's loaded, the vacuum's set, and our workpiece is secure. Let's fire up the machine and get this project rolling. And there it is, clean, detailed, and honestly, just really cool to look at. Projects like this would take forever or be nearly impossible without a CNC machine. But with ShopSabre, it's quick, repeatable, and professional. And now, I've got a great conversational piece that's guaranteed to turn heads. Whether it's big production runs or one-off projects just like this one, CNC routers give you more control, more speed, and more capabilities than ever before. And with ShopSabre, you get American-made equipment, industry-leading support, and unmatched value. ShopSabre is CNC automation at its best. So if you're ready to get ahead of your competition, it's time to get yourself a ShopSabre. Thanks for watching. I'm Brandon Bombardo, and I'll see you in the next one.